Avalon! Zola, calling. Avalon!
Can I be of any assistance, Master Zola?
He must be saved. I've got to get Avalon before it's too late. Avalon! Avalon!
This is Apollon.
Manius is being tortured at the altar of sacrifice. Go, rescue him.
Yes, master. Come, we'll go.
What are those drums?
They're the drums of death.
The drums of death? What do you mean, Natcha?
Someone's being tortured by the natives.
Let's hurry and find out who it is. Right you are. Come on.
Hurry, Avalon.
Hear me, Butterfield? If Manius dies, I'll destroy your entire tribe.
Well, so we have company, eh? You cowardly renegade. Why did you have your black tack on? You're lucky you're not in the same spot as the old scientist.
What do you mean? What has happened to him?
He's the guest of honor at a little ceremonial offering. But don't let that bother you. Let's drink to his health.
Turn on switch 31.
Yes, Master.
Quick, Jerry! Untie him while I hold his weight! Hurry, Jerry, it's heavy! Look out, Jerry! Help him out there! Get him!
Oh, dear.
Wow, that was a close shave. I'll take him, Natcher. Come on. Bye, Doctor.
Hugo, come.
You all right? Take it easy, Doctor. Everything will be all right now. Take it easy, now. Take it easy, Doctor. That's it. Take it easy now. All right, just right from there. That's the thing.
Take me away. Take me away. That's the man who ordered the natives to torture me.
Is this true?
What if it is?
Butterfield, if you've caused this man suffering, you're going to pay.
Well, he tortured my natives, didn't he?
My father was not to blame for that. He was under the power of Zolak.
That's the truth, Butterfield. Ask them. They know. They were in the Lost City.
Oh,
Come on, Doctor.
Father.
Butterfield, this man has got to have immediate attention.
All right. Take him to my quarters.
Come on, Doctor.
You're all right, Father, dear.
Here, Doctor. Let me get. You want to
That's
take
right.
a look?
That's right.
All right.
I tell you, Reynolds, Butterfield's a dangerous man.
I know it.
We must be careful what we say.
All right. Listen here, Butterfield.
Sit down. I want to have a little chat with you. So you were in the Lost City. What do you know about it?
Nothing.
Didn't you see them making their giants?
No. We weren't there long enough.
You're lucky. Show these men to the quarters next to mine. You'll be comfortable there.
Thanks.
Wait a minute. Are you sure you know nothing about the Lost City?
Absolutely.
Of course you're right, my boy.
Look, Bruce, it just fits.
I think there isn't so far away after all.
Where did you get that?
Oh, in the other room in there.
Well, it just fits.
Yes.
Are you sure, Doctor, that Reynolds and Colton forced you to leave the Lost City?
Yes, these men are not to be trusted.
Yeah, let me tell you that Butterfield isn't our only enemy.
Bruce, we must get away.
Don't worry, Natcha. Come on, Jerry.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to talk to Reynolds and Colton. I'll be right back.
Got to get Manius away from here before Butterfield learns that he can restore the mental powers of those giants. Look, there goes Gordon toward the trading post. Wonder if Manius told him how we forced him to leave the Lost City.
We'll have to convince Gordon that the old man's out of his mind.
We'll have to work fast. I tell you, I heard the old man say he could not only restore